Hey folks, welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the wonders of the human body and its incredible functions. Ever wondered if your ears are as sharp as they were when you were a teenager? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? Our hearing ability can change so much over the years. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of hearing loss and how aging affects our ability to hear high-frequency sounds. It's something that affects everyone eventually, but how and why does it happen? Let's start with a quick test. This will give you a rough idea of where your hearing stands right now. If you can hear a sound at 8,000 Hz, your hearing isn't impaired. This frequency is a good benchmark for basic hearing health. But did you know, the younger you are, the higher the frequencies you can hear? It's one of the many amazing things about our bodies when we're young. If you're under 20, you might even hear up to 20,000 Hz. That's almost like having a superpower compared to older adults. So, what's going on inside our ears? How do they manage to pick up such a wide range of sounds? Our ears house tiny structures called hair cells in the inner ear. These cells are crucial for our hearing. These cells are like little detectives, picking up different frequencies and sending signals to our brain. They work tirelessly to help us interpret the sounds around us. But here's the catch. Unlike our skin or liver, these hair cells can't regenerate. Once they're damaged, they're gone for good. Over time, aging, exposure to noise, and loud sounds can damage or destroy them. This is why it's so important to protect our ears from excessive noise. And guess what? The hair cells responsible for detecting high pitches are the first to go because they're located at the beginning of the sound wave's path in the ear. This is why high-frequency hearing loss is so common as we age. Pretty interesting, right? The more we understand about our ears, the better we can take care of them. If you're curious to learn more or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you and discussing these fascinating topics. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and hit that subscribe button for more science-packed videos. Your support helps me bring you more content like this. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science.